Hello and welcome to this Fastrac how-to video. Today I'm going to take you through the drive modes in high range. Let's take a look. Before moving the tractor, ensure that your seat belt is correctly fastened. To start the tractor, press the clutch in. Turn the ignition key once and wait for the tractor screen to start up. Turn the key fully to crank the engine. To select a forward direction, press and hold the red button behind the joystick and tap the joystick forward. To select a reverse direction, press and hold the red button behind the joystick and tap the joystick backwards. There are three main transmission operating modes: drive, manual and power shift. These are selected using the touchscreen. Let's take a look at these drive modes in more detail. In drive, the tractor's forward speed is controlled by the accelerator pedal, automatically controlling the engine RPM and transmission depending on the conditions. The harder you press on the accelerator pedal, the quicker you travel. Once releasing the pedal, the transmission ratio will reduce and thus slowing you down. To slow down further, use the brake pedal. The acceleration in drive has three response settings. Setting 1 allows the transmission to increase at lower engine speeds, and the deceleration is slower with less engine braking. Setting 3 allows the transmission to increase at higher engine speeds. Once the pedal is released, the transmission ratio decreases quicker, giving greater engine braking. Setting 2 is a middle setting combining elements of 1 and 3. Drive is recommended for all transport work whilst driving on the road. Manual mode allows the operator to control the engine RPM via the hand throttle, whilst using the joystick to control the forward speed. To increase the forward speed, push the joystick to the right, and to slow down, pull the joystick to the left. In manual mode, to disengage drive, you must use the clutch pedal. In power shift, the transmission behaves like a power shift gearbox. The operator can move up and down predetermined speed ratios by tapping the joystick right and left. The engine RPM is determined by the hand throttle. In power shift mode, to disengage drive, you must use the clutch pedal. The aggressiveness of the joystick can be adjusted by changing this percentage value. Press the icon and use the plus and minus buttons on the armrest to change the figure. 10% is the least aggressive, whilst 100% is the most. When using drive on the road, the operator has the ability to select a cruise speed. Pre-select the cruise control icon so it turns yellow. To set a speed, drive at the desired speed and press and hold the green button on the joystick for 3 seconds. This will record the speed, and you can adjust this using the plus and minus buttons. The maximum speed in high range is 60 km/h. To disengage cruise control, simply toggle the green button on the joystick or dab the brake pedal. Thank you for watching this Fastrac how-to video. Please remember, always refer to your operator's manual for more details. Join us again next time for another Fastrac how-to.